guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you all are doing well. So few days back I put an Instagram story putting some beautiful flowers. So you guys were asking this is my personal garden. No, this is not my personal garden. That was a park not so far from my place. So I took few pictures and few videos. So I thought sharing here also because you guys must be bored watching me and this my red sofa. So first watch that, come back, and it will be really refreshing for you guys also. So till the time I finish my peanuts, you go and enjoy the beautiful park. काली रात के बाद आने वाली सुबह, इन रंग बिरंगे फूलों जैसे रंग भर देने वाली सुबह, कल के गम को थोड़ा कम कर देने वाली सुबह, जीवन में उत्साह और जोश भर देने वाली सुबह, उम्मीद की नई किरणें और नए रास्ते दिखाने वाली सुबह, कल की मुसीबतों को हल कर देने वाली सुबह, रंग भर देने वाली मुसीबतों को कम कर देने वाली, नई उम्मीद की किरणें और नए रास्ते दिखाने वाली, यही तो है हर दिन की सुबह। I really hope you guys enjoy the lovely view of the park, and now we can start talking about how to clear misunderstandings. So the first thing which I want to talk about how to clear misunderstanding is speak up rather than give up. So we all know communication is the key to clear misunderstanding, but for that you have to speak up with person which you have misunderstood. Rather than coming to the conclusion without talking to that person, rather giving up in that particular situation or your personal or professional relationship. So the first thing you have to do when there is a misunderstanding is speak up. The second important thing which coming to my mind is you have to be a good listener. If somebody is coming to you, talking to you about your misunderstanding, listen him or her patiently without judging. Honestly speaking, it required lot of courage to speak up about misunderstanding, but also it required lot of courage to listen them patiently without judging about it. Third thing which I want to talk about, how to clear misunderstanding while communicating. Focus on the issue. Most of the time it happens when we are clearing misunderstanding, and for that we are communicating, we started blaming each other rather than the what's the issue. So in short, stop blaming and start thinking about how to resolve the issue. The fourth thing which I want to talk about, how to clear misunderstanding. Sometimes we don't intend to say that it should be heard to somebody else, but just in case you feel that apologizing can make a difference, so don't shy away to express the regret and apologize. Fifth and the last point, how to clear misunderstanding, is knowing each other perspectives. And to know each other perspective, you have to really be flexible, and you have to share flexible in terms of what other person think and its opinion. And share, not only share, honest share will help you really to clear misunderstanding and know each other perspective better. So till now I have shared with you guys how to clear misunderstanding, but honestly speaking, clearing a misunderstanding is not less than solving a tough problem in maths. So it's better to avoid it. So now I will be sharing few things through which you can avoid misunderstanding. As we all know, effective communication is the way to clear misunderstanding. And nowadays, there are n number of ways to communicate, whether you talk about text message or mail. And professionally, it is always advisable to send an email after a phone call. Be specific what you are trying to convey. Personally, if you think your family or friends, some of the topics or some of the thing might go to misunderstanding and you have to avoid that misunderstanding, what better than chai pe charcha or talk over tea. The second thing you can do to avoid misunderstanding is repeating. And if you know the particular thing is important and it should be conveyed to the other person without being misunderstood, so try to repeat again and again. The third very important thing you can do to avoid misunderstanding, noting it down. So noting it down and repeating it really helps to avoid misunderstanding. There have been scenarios that I want to say something else and I chose a wrong word to say, so it was misunderstood by the other person. So the last very important thing I want to talk about is choose your words very carefully. One more thing which can avoid or clear misunderstanding is eating peanuts. Just kidding. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.